Good
I
morning,
had a
Anika.
morning, Anika, morning, Ria, morning, Trishika. I could see so many here. Okay,
Good morning, today
oh,
students.
Hari and Sai
Today
are here.
students.
Here,
Hari and Sai.
yeah,
Today students.
yeah, good. Welcome, kids. Good. Okay, it's time for us to tell the children that don't worry, we're there. We can take care of you. You can do things, and for the parents, okay, please do not worry. We are here to help you out. So that is the message we wanted to pass on. So as a part of as a series of sessions that are happening, some of the parents who would have joined our parenting workshops, phonics sessions, and now comes Meena's craft session. As you all know, Meena is known for craft. People, especially from Sembakam School and Salur School, will know that what kind of craft work, and people from
Yes, thank you, Dharani. So, morning all, good morning, children, good morning, parents. A few ground rules, as Dharani told. I need all the parents to switch on the camera, and it should be in the mute mode. Always, it should be in mute mode. If you have any doubts, you can type it in the chat box. Okay, so let's get into the art session. Before that, I just want to give you a brief. This art session is not going to be a professional one or the advanced one. See, we are handling with 2 to 6 years old kids, right? So it's going to be completely basics, which we generally use in our schools during the activity session, and because this is the way how we teach our kids, okay, during in our school session, in our academic session, okay. So we thought we can bring it to the other children also. It will be useful for them to, or useful for the parents to engage the children even during the free time. Okay, so it's a small step by us, but as a team play works. Okay, so each activity approximately it takes 10 minutes. Okay, but it takes 10 minutes for me. For kids, it differs. Kindly don't rush up the kids, because they have to take their own time, only then they will be enjoying this session. Okay, so if you're not able to complete that activity within 10 minutes, you just keep that activity apart, then we'll go for the next activity. Then you can later, because if you are trained with that activity for 10 minutes, later you can continue with that, okay, even after the session. Okay, so that is what we request from all of you. So first one, I'm going to take a very interesting and a very easy one. Okay, so it is going to be the fort painting. Okay, for that I'm going to take the paper plate, and I'm going to take some paint. This activity can have any type of colors. Okay, any color you want. I'm going to take some. Okay, okay, let me take orange color. Okay, and the fork. See, the fork here and the orange color. Okay, first color orange. Okay, we can do multiple colors. I'm just going to give the color. See, you have to color it behind the fork. You have to color it behind the fork, not in front, behind the fork. Only then it will be a flat pattern. See, if you color here, you won't be able to give an impression over here, because it is little curvy, but behind it is slightly flat. Okay, you can color, then like this. Just keep it here and gently press it. Front, back, like seesaw. See, front, back, seesaw. How is it now? Okay, so little bit. Okay, now, so now I can clean this with my cloth. Since it is a silver spoon, I mean stainless steel spoon, I can wipe it in the cloth. It is cleaned off. Then you can take another color. Okay, another color. Here I am going to take purple or violet. See, again, little bit watery. It should be little bit watery, not fully watery, but little bit watery. Okay. Next, do a same. Here, press it here. Seesaw, front, back, front, back. See, it came very nicely. It came out very, very nicely. Okay, I thought of giving it one more try with another color. So I'll go with pink color. Pink color. Like this. Again. Front. Say and do. You have to say and you can do the activity. Front, back. Front, back. It's just like a seesaw, as I told you earlier, right? See, this is going to be a simple art tricks only, okay? It's nothing so difficult. And one more color I'm going to try with, okay, this one, sandal color. See? Okay, again. See? Front, back, front, back. But here it is slightly invisible. Just simple strokes. Okay? Simple strokes. So now tell me, what is this? Can you all guess what is this?
Flower.
Very good. It's few flowers, okay? Colorful flowers. Okay,
Yes.
so it is you can have it you can say it as a bouquet also. So how is this? It's nice, right? Something so colorful. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, and you can do one more thing. You can give a green color using fork. I'll give you in some other look. Okay. See? Again, front, back. Here again, front, back. Here again. Here again. So how is it looking like? Can you guess?
Grass. Grass.
Yes, exactly. Grass-like structure, right? Nothing I
Yes.
did. Only I just did with the fork. Okay, so it's like a grass. So grass, plant with colorful flowers.
Flowers.
Okay, so that's about our activity. This is called as the fork painting. Okay, now, so you can take another 2 minutes to complete. Okay, you got another 1 minute. We'll finish it off.
put the container.
Okay. So let's move on to the next activity. So again, once more, I'm telling to the parents. See, each children will take a different time or so don't let them to do in hurry. Okay. So if they have completed, okay, no problem. If they haven't completed, you can keep that activity paper aside and you can take the fresh paper so that we can continue with the next activity. You can take your own time to complete this later. Yes, I hope parents can understand. Yes, okay. Draw the butterfly, the flowers in different patterns, right? Similarly, we can draw the fish in different patterns. You know, there are lots of fish, lots and lots of varieties and colorful fish, right? Even people are trying to discover a lot in under the ocean. So we can draw it any fancy color, right? Okay. Like this. Okay. See, the buds initially will take some time to give out the paint because it has to soak fully with that color. Only then it gives back the color as we give some pressure. Okay. See, if you see the colors more and more different colors, you'll feel happy automatically and you feel somewhat relaxed. So I had given as many colors as possible. See? Hey, I think always this pink and blue together, it gives a very good color combination actually. See? So now tell me, what color is this? What color is this? It seems to be
Purple.
purple. Yes. So what did I do? Actually, I mixed blue. Okay. So for this activity, I would like to suggest parents to keep a newspaper beneath the drawing, that is beneath the paper. So here is my butterfly drawing and I kept a newspaper beneath it. Okay. So now one more suggestion, one more instruction to the parents for this activity.
Food color. Okay. Then you have to touch that liquid, that color liquid. Then see, look at here. I'm going to give a gentle touch. See, it spreads. See here, it spreads. See? It's spreading. I'm just going to give a touch. I'm not painting. I'm just going to give a touch. I'm just giving a touch. How's it? So colorful, right? You know why is it changing? I'm just giving a touch, but it's spreading all along that stroke. How is it possible? No, it is the property of absorption. Okay, it is the property of absorption. Few of my there is a side joint. I'm just going to give the easy process of coloring, right? Okay. This side I had given blue color. Then I'm going to give outline. I'll give blue color and also I'm going to choose one more color. I think I can give orange color to this. Now, again, coming back to the eyes and the antenna. See? It will be in black color. And for mouth, I prefer to give red color. butterfly smiling. Really colorful, right? So colorful. Very good, very nice, very nice. Very good, babies. Super, super, very good. Okay.
Okay. See? Now touch that cotton. It has become little hard, right? So hard. Okay. So now we are done with the cotton, green color cotton. So I'm just going to remove that, keep it away. And I'm going to take another piece of cotton ball, and I'm going to immerse it in brown color. Now brown color. Brown color. Brown color. Okay. I'm done with brown color. Okay. So now I'm going to take one more. I'm just going to take another example with a sponge. Okay. I'm just going to do it with blue color. See? Blue color. Actually, my brown is little light, right? Very nice. Kids started to show their activities, ma. So good. Yes. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Super, super. Very good. Very good, baby.
Nice, nice, Suparna. Very beautiful.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Okay. Parents, a request to all of you. Please take a photograph of all these things done. As usual, you might be knowing, hold a paper like this, hold the art like this. Okay, so that we will be clearly able to see the child's face and also the artwork done. Please take a photograph and send it to your respective coordinators or respective person who has contacted you, through whom you registered for the session. Okay, so that we will also have a record of what is done, and the kids will also have a sense of happiness that their work is recognized. So please do send us the photographs. Thank you so much for coming into this session. As usual, we have taken a bit more time. Nevertheless, I think it is worth spending that extra hour over here walking that extra mile is always an advantage for us. Okay, so thank you so much for all your time over here. Thanks parents, thanks kids, and your enthusiasm and your participation is the only key for us, that keeps on motivating us to do more and more and more coming in up. So Playworks is offering you lots of sessions, lots of workshops and other stuff. Okay, please use all of them, get maximum benefited. All the very best. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you parents, thank you children, and as I told you earlier, we are planning to conduct more.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I have lots of
Yes, once again, ma'am, once
Thank
again,
you.
as we mentioned earlier, we are planning to conduct more craft works in forthcoming days.
Thank
Once
you.
the lockdown is lifted, we are planning to do that. So we need your cooperation so that the kids also will have valuable time. Okay, thank you children.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
Trishika.
baby.
Bye.
Bye, Trishika. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye. Salute to the bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye all of you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Yes. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye Durga ma'am.
Trishika, all your works are very good, ma'am. All your works what you have sent to us are very good. Yes.
Thank you.
enjoyed a lot, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. Equally Kanchana too.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the session.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Thank
Okay,
you,
neene
thank you.
cut pannu. Trishika, neene cut pannu. Thank you. Neene cut
Okay,
pannu,
ma'am.
Trishika.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Durga ma'am, bye.
Bye, Durga.
Okay, na, neene cut pannu. Bye bye.
Ma'am, thanks for the session, ma'am. It was very useful and it was very engaging. Thank you both for this session.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma.
Welcome,
Thank you,
welcome,
thank you.
welcome.